Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, 3 youths were killed in Bedwood Gardens. One of them is the son of my favorite singer, Sanchez. And also the other day, down in Jamaica, they made a bus, and they had so much US money, it's going to take time for them to count it. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. Yes, tonight, sad news for the singer Sanchez. Kevin Jackson. Just found this out because I knew early on that something happened. I didn't know that one of 3 persons that was shot in Bedwood Gardens in Augusttown, one of them is the son of reggae singer Sanchez. And the mess up thing, he just put his mother to rest in Canada this morning. Yo, singer, sorry. Condolences, man. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, the cops confirmed that a 24-year-old Rashid Edwards, otherwise known as Bumpy, and 2 other youths, they were shot and killed. Everybody say he's a good youth. You know, they never involved in anything. And they said apparently they were gambling on the ends when they were killed. You know, we don't know if it was over money or bad mind or who knows. We don't know. It's too early right now. But I hear that the whole community is hurt over this one. Everybody keeps saying there's too many deaths in Augusttown. You know what I mean? This is terrible. It's like around 4:50 in the morning. That's yesterday. The police responded because someone called and they said gunshots were being fired in the area. When the police got there, they see 3 youths were laying down along the track next to the football field, and they had gunshot wounds. Then they took them to the hospital where they all were pronounced dead. It's going to be a major investigation. And like I said, Sanchez, rest in peace to mommy, rest in peace to your son. Because this morning, the king had to go to his mom's funeral up in Canada. So I know it's a very hard time for you and your family. Take time to heal. And we want justice. 2 days ago, cocaine at a street value of 75 million US dollars. And such a large amount of US money was seized in an operation. Let me see which part of Jamaica. Let me see which part is that? I think it's over there. They said Weston. All right, it's over there. Maybe on the Hanover side, Mobay side. And they said a 46-year-old businessman who was allegedly transporting the drugs. He was one of 2 persons who were taken into custody by the police. His identity is being withheld. What I want to say is this. Take a look at this money. See that money there? That's a serious amount of money. And there was also a cocaine bust. Obviously, you know, cocaine was in it too. Oh my God, take a look at this money, people. Take a look at that money. There are $100 bills and all of that. US, gosh. Look at this money. Last but not least, oh my God, look at that money. Reason I'm showing this and saying this is 2 things. If a man gonna do something wrong, when is enough? How greedy can you get? Yo, I don't know. I'd love to, but I don't know if I'm gonna ever see that much money in my lifetime. I'm trying. Good gosh. And then, you know, all this leads to guns, all this cocaine and these guns that are coming not from Jamaica. Because remember, when the U.S. government wanted to find out where are the guns coming from, they found out the guns are coming from USA. And then when they did a further investigation, they said every damn time there's a Jamaican politician behind those drugs and guns that are coming into the country. That's wickedness. Well, remember the last time when they take everybody's visa away, Adams and everybody? You think a coincidence or a bad mind? Open your eyes. Goodness, this is craziness. Jamaicans, you done rise up, but Jamaica have to rise up because this is just craziness. It's all senseless. I don't know what to say, you know. Let's just continue to pray. And everybody know we say good over evil, so keep doing the right thing. And just guard on the head back and keep on yourself out of trouble, all right? All right, people, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and show that you care. I am Daddy Reds, and I'm the Reggae Ambassador. And I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.